The hole is breaking and we got some takers out there. Oh, shit. Taking that little cruise over the bridge and the waves look good. It looks like a couple of rippers are out there. Some rippers. All right, guys, let's go check the waves. Our $4 admission to get into Sebastian. And let's see what it looks like. Looking at the outer break here, you can see that the tide is starting to fill in, but there are still some runners out there. Look at that one. Ooh, let's go out for a closer look. Looking at a shark jumping out there. I know I saw 2 huge sharks when I was out in the water today. That was a lot of fun. As you can see, there's a ton of guys fishing here. I'm probably the only guy not fishing out here. You gotta really watch where you're walking because there's hooks flying everywhere. But I'm looking at a classic wave right now. Holy. Nice little set coming through here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you can hit that like button, that subscribe button, really helps the channel. Vero Mikes out.